Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make dough for baklava full guide. Preheat your workspace and measure ingredients precisely. 2 cups flour, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons oil, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup water. Combine and knead until smooth, about 8 to 10 minutes by hand or 5 minutes with a mixer. Rest the dough wrapped for 30 minutes to relax the gluten and make stretching easier later on. Kneading transforms a rough mix into elastic dough, so be patient and use the heels of your hands in a rhythmic motion. Aim for smooth texture and slight tackiness without being sticky, adding tiny water or flour adjustments as needed. After kneading, wrap the dough tightly in plastic or a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes to relax the gluten. This step makes stretching the dough thin much easier and prevents tearing. Divide the rested dough into equal portions to manage thinness and control. Roll each piece on a lightly floured surface, then gently stretch by hand or over a table edge until almost translucent. Patience matters more than force. Stack each stretched sheet with a thin brush of melted butter between layers to build the classic flaky structure. Keep unused sheets covered so they do not dry out while you assemble the baklava.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.